Good morning, students. Today we're going to learn about the rule of thirds. You should have some infographics that you're taking notes on. I've created this document here, download it and open it up into Photoshop. And what it is it's a thirds breakdown, and you should recognize it from the infographic. I have also supplied you with two other images, a background image and an image with a person. I've already taken the time to clip this one out, and the whole purpose of this is to create an image showing the foreground, middle ground, background, and showing that you understand the action lines or the sweet spots of using the thirds as a grid. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this one here, and as you can see, it's already all clipped out. If you forgot how to clip it, what you want to do is you'll go to paths and then you'll click the dotted circle, which is also called load path as a selection. And from here I'm going to go to select, I'm going to go to modify, and I'm going to feather it just a little bit, just so that I don't have a hard edge. I'm going to hit OK, and then to get this out of here I'm going to go Command C, Command X, Command C, Command X, Command V, and that should pull that guy right out of there. I'm also going to need this background image here, and what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to just go ahead and get my marquee tool and draw a square around it, and I am going to select that and do again Command C, Command X, Command V, and my images now should be loose. I'm going to go ahead and bring them into my other file here for my rule of thirds, for my grid, and this is where I'm going to start. I'm going to drag them underneath my grid so that the grid is above. I want to make sure the hiker is above this, and now what I want to do is I want to take these two images and compose them in a way where the rule of thirds is being used. So I'm going to start with this image here, and if you see the mountaintops, I really want my mountaintops on this action line so that I have a 1/3 and 2/3 occurring in my composition. If I wanted to, I could probably make this even bigger and pull the mountaintops down below like this so that they're going along this action line, but then I wouldn't be able to do much with my other figure. So I'm going to bring it back, and I'm going to just have the action line simply run right here. I also want the trail to not be in the center, so I'm going to pull this over to the side so that now my mountain peak is closer to my intersection or my sweet spot, and I'm going to hit enter, and I'll be pretty happy with this composition here. I'm going to hit Command T, and I'm going to transform my hiker, and I want to put him right on the action line or even on this action line here. I can put him at just about any size for this to work, as long as it's on the action line, and you guys can use any size as well. For me right now, I'm going to go ahead and move him here, and as if he's looking over towards the sun. Let's see how he would look if I flipped him over and turned him around. I actually kind of like this a little bit better. It's almost like he's looking down the trail at the mountain peak. I'm going to make him just a little bit bigger. Okay, and then as soon as I'm done with that, you guys go ahead and save this as a JPEG or a Photoshop file. Probably a JPEG would be easier. You'll click here for save a copy, and then you can do JPEG and save this to your desktop. And this will be just a beginning workshop on how to create the rule of thirds in a strong composition. Okay, I look forward to what you guys produce, and we will be doing more of this, and we will be having a quiz, so make sure you take good notes. All right, that's it.